How can you tell when something's fermented? See what to look for in this video. Here's a big batch of sourdough pizza dough I just mixed. You can see the texture is really rough. It's still sticking to my hands. There's not much air built up. It's going in the bin with some olive oil. So see, there's the level now. After the fermentation time, you can see how much it's built up in volume. The texture on top is no longer rough, it's smooth. You can see those lines of fermentation. You can see the bubbles, almost like string. It looks like it's like a quilt woven together by all the gluten connections that have been made. And so that's what we look for. That should stick to itself, not to your hands. It should have this lovely volume and this silky texture when it's fully fermented. Here's an hour-by-hour representation of the fermentation process over the bulk ferment from hour 0 from the beginning through hour 7. I hope that video was helpful for you. Please like it if it was. If you like this content and want to see more, you can subscribe. And down in the description box, you can see some of the resources I'm using, my resource guides, as well as how to find my online courses if you really want to get started and see the whole process of making sourdough. Leave me a comment. Let me know, what are you getting stuck on? What would you like to see more of? That really helps me decide what to create for you in the future. Thank you for being here.